Chainlink is an activity where participants find themselves in the role of both being a customer and a supplier. So essentially they have an order which they need to supply to their customer at the same time they need to receive an order from their supplier. The way the activity works is that every participant has a board and some magnetic pieces, but they also have a design plan that they need to follow. And they communicate with other people in the organisation through a postal service. And that can take some time, but if they want to speed up the process, they can also choose to leave the working area and go and have a verbal meeting with some other colleagues. Key learnings for the participants in Chainlink tend to be around how they cope with the pressure of both being a customer and a supplier. And in the modern environment, almost all of us find ourselves in that role today. The trainer needs to set up the rooms so that the group can work ideally in a circle, and the trainer can act as the postman delivering mail between each participant. So the setup is quite important. You also need a separate area where if they want to have a verbal meeting, they can leave the materials behind and go and have that chat. The biggest challenge for the learners is how much effort they tend to put on either their customer needs or their supplier needs, but also their personal reaction to how they actually like to communicate. Some people will be happy to sit there and send emails or notes, whereas others would want to get up and meet people face to face.